clients come to me after they've achieved a lot of weight loss. They've lost their strength, they had hair fall, they had sallow skin, they lost energy, they couldn't walk a few meters, they couldn't climb stairs. There were so many issues that they faced after weight loss. Who wants that kind of a weight loss? I don't think any one of us does. So to lose weight in the right way, where you feel better, where you have more energy, where you have better skin, better hair, where you feel and look younger is what everybody wants for. And the Metabolics plan is designed to give you just that. It's not a cookie cutter approach. It's not that everybody has the same plan. The plan is very much optimized to your constraints, whether you're a vegetarian, non-vegetarian, whether you have time to cook, whether you don't have time to cook. What do you like to eat? What do you don't like to eat? Can you tolerate a low level of carbs? Can you tolerate a high level of fat in your food? So it's all very different, and we optimize all these parameters to give you the best result for your situation. Metabolics plan is a little different than the others. You don't just get a plan in your hand. I will help you to execute the finest details of those plans personally, by hand-holding you, by coaching you, by changing your mindset, by working with you on a one-to-one basis. So it's not just handing out of a plan and saying, okay, now you follow it. I am sure you follow it weekly. We have weekly accountability consultation calls. It could be a video or an audio call where I do understand how you followed the plan, what were the changes in your measurements. Whenever you join, there is a progress tracker that we maintain. All your statistics, your weight, height, your waist, hips, and other parameters which we will measure your success by are recorded every single week, and we do have a track record of all this data, and that's how we understand how you progress. So when you join the plan, you become a responsibility for me to ensure that you meet your health goals in the best possible way. One of the primary underlying principles of the Metabolics program is long-term sustainability. I feel without that, any nutrition plan, be it the best in the world, is kind of useless, because what's the point of you reaching a goal only to have that same thing taken back from you? Your efforts, resources, hopes, motivation, everything kind of has gone for a toss. We don't want that. Also, if you build habits which are not sustainable, the weight which comes back is almost 100% fat, and so then you are worse off following the plan than not following the plan. The Metabolics plan doesn't want you to be in such a situation. The weight loss is sustainable. We ensure it so because we focus on daily habits and not short-term myopic goals. Daily habits become long-term habits become a sustainable, maintainable fitness result. I came up with a Metabolics plan for me. I don't like to spend hours and hours in the kitchen. I would rather read a book. I would rather work out. So I completely understand, how busy people look for solutions which are not too demanding in terms of their time and resources. The Metabolics plan will ensure that you meet your results without excessive and extensive meal prepping, without excessive time in the kitchen, and also you don't need to create a separate meal menu for yourself. You'll be eating pretty much what a standard Indian or even international clients eat. It's your preference what you eat, but it could be Indian or international. There is nothing excessive or extra that I work on. Also, in today's fat diets, you need almond flour, you need A2 cow, desi ghee, and avocados and quinoas and all these things. I feel while they add variety and they're fine, they are not mandatory for good health. They are also extremely expensive, especially in India. And I feel you are better off eating the regular food that we have been eating traditionally at home. It's just the timing and combination of these foods that makes a difference. If you get that right, the results are definitely there for you. Pretty much, nobody amongst my clients makes separate meals for them. In fact, when one member, mostly the mother, joins, the whole family starts getting fitter and losing weight. Like most of the women clients, they also share their husband's transformations with me. Like, see, he is losing more weight than me on your plan, and I have taken your plan. So that's the funny part of it. But pretty much the whole family's health is uplifted because the mother now knows what is healthy and what is pretending to be healthy but is not really healthy. The thing is, when people join the Metabolics plan, they start paying attention to their food habits, exercise habits, movement habits, lifestyle issues, and your children see that. Their children see that, and they understand the importance of health from a very small and young age. I have some clients whose kids work out with them, and they are what, 3-4 years old children. So instilling these habits, I believe, in the next generation is of paramount importance given the amount of childhood obesity we are seeing around and the lifestyle conditions, health issues that we are seeing. It has pandemic proportions today. So if you take the Metabolics plan, do expect not only you but your better half and your entire family to get healthier as a result along with you. The plan is for 3 months at a stretch. So I really believe that to create long-lasting sustainable changes, 90 days is the right amount of time that you want to be invested in changing your daily habits, mindset, etc. And it does take that much amount of time to see appreciable results and really make a change on a very micro level. So 3 months is the minimum time that I would say is required to make long-lasting changes, and which is why Eat Fit starts in installments of 3 months. So 3 to 6 months is what I feel is what most clients see benefits in. Our hormones are really the master key. They control everything we do. Our moods, our fertility rates, our body structure, our appearance, our skin and hair health, pretty much everything. Our weight is very much managed by our hormones. If we manage to balance them, as in not have them in excess of the level and not have them lower than the requirement, we pretty much control the optimal outcome, or we ensure that the optimal outcome happens in the body. With our lifestyle today, with our nutrition today, or I must say lack of nutrition but abundance of food options today, our hormones go for a toss on a consistent and chronic basis. The Metabolics plan helps you regain the balance of your hormones, so you find optimal health day after day. Protein is a very important macronutrient for everybody's diet, whether you are a Jain or a vegetarian or a vegan. The protein choices can vary and no two clients are the same. There are things like paneer, rajma, chole, sprouts, even milk for that matter, when it comes to protein options for vegetarians. And I do work across these. If we require supplements for protein, I do recommend that to my clients. Again, my clients decide whether they want to go for it or not. Nothing is mandatory. You can really get healthy without anything being said, this has to be had or that has to be had. Nothing has to be had. There is always a second option or a third option. Sometimes the results take time with that approach. But if that works for you, I completely support your choice to eating whatever kind of food you want to eat, unless it's junk food. All my clients go for vacations, even in the first week of their joining or towards the end. We are all human beings. We all live life to the fullest. We want to have a great quality of life, and I encourage you to go on vacations. They are great stress busters. I will give you certain guidelines that you will follow, and when you come back, you will start your plan again. There is absolutely no problem in going for vacations on the Eat Fit plan. So eating outside is allowed because none of us live in a shell or a bubble. We all socialize, we all drink, we all eat outside. There are a few ground rules that you can adhere to if you want to see greater progress, faster progress. I will tell you what options you can choose from, whether it's a Chinese restaurant, whether it's a Lebanese restaurant. You could plan it in advance as to what you're going to do in that day. So to have damage control around the kind of meals you eat outside. So eating outside is allowed. Cheat meals, yes, after you have lost a certain amount of weight. I do want your body to understand what it means to eat regular food, outside food. So cheat meals are included, but that is decided on a case-by-case basis.
Can I drink?
Yes, you can drink. I will give you options that you can choose from. I will tell you to stick to a certain kind of frequency, a certain kind of volume when it comes to alcoholic drinks. Yeah, you can, and you will still see fabulous results. When you travel a lot, you are eating something. It's not like you are not eating anything. Now, eating unhealthy vis-a-vis making the right choices, that itself is going to give you benefits. And then when you make a little extra effort in planning and try to adhere to slightly stricter standards, you will see immense transformation. So transformation exists, right? I mean, even if you're traveling and you're eating this kind of unhealthy food, you're eating burgers and some Manchurians and chop sueys and all outside, ordering from outside. There is better food to order in the same restaurant. I will teach you how to choose those things. Now beyond that, plan a bit more and you will see a drastic improvement in your health and in the food choices that you make even while on the road. You will lose weight if you just eat right or eat as per the metabolics plan. However, for the best and the most optimal results and for long-lasting health gains, I urge my clients to exercise, and the Home Fit plan is complementary with the nutrition plan in the Eat Fit program.